Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween costumes, and I've got something special for you. Introducing the best Sally Halloween costume available in the market. This AOVCLKID Little Girls Princess Dress-Up Girls Cosplay costume is not just your ordinary dress-up attire. It's a ticket to imagination and fun. Crafted with attention to detail, this costume is perfect for your little one's Halloween adventures, cosplay events, or simply adding a touch of magic to everyday play. Let's talk about what makes this Sally costume stand out. First off, the material. Made from super soft polyester, it's not only comfortable to wear but also durable for endless hours of play. And guess what? It's hand wash only, ensuring it stays in top-notch condition for many dress-up sessions to come. Available in a range of sizes and featuring a vibrant multicolor design, there's a perfect fit for every aspiring Sally out there. Whether they're channeling their inner heroine for a themed party or simply getting into character for some at-home play, this costume is sure to spark joy and creativity. Now, let's talk logistics. Compact and lightweight, this costume is easy to store and transport, making it a convenient option for families on the go. Plus, with its availability on Amazon, getting your hands on this enchanting ensemble is just a few clicks away. In conclusion, if you're in search of the ultimate Sally Halloween costume that combines quality, comfort, and endless fun, look no further than the AOVCLKID Little Girls Princess Dress-Up Girls Cosplay costume. It's a surefire way to make this Halloween a memorable one for your little princess. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, stay spooky.